Hello guys, I am your friend Roshan and today I bring you the full stack web development course here friends. Through all the uh, projects here and teach you directly to the projects and you don't need to wait for the direct implementation of all the process. So friends, you can check it the other playlist also so you can get the theoretical knowledge and here you can get the practical knowledge to learn the full stack web development friends. Some of the students want to learn directly with this practical knowledge friends. So it will help you directly learn the practical knowledge and implementation of all the things in HTML and CSS and JavaScript too friends. So if you want to learn the full stack web development course directly through the projects, so friends you can follow this and you can learn each and everything from here friends and it will going continuously friends. So please do it fast and save this playlist and you will get all the videos here friends coming days and day by day it will going improvely friends. So please add this to your playlist friends. So friends it is better for your for the beginner student friends. So let's do that and follow this and hit the like button, subscribe button, friends, and share it to your friends and tell him about it, friends. So thank you. We'll see you in the next video.
ओके व्यूअर्स, आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही। मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन कीप लर्निंग, कीप ग्रोइंग एंड कीप एक्सप्लोरिंग बिकॉज व्हेन यू एक्सप्लोर समथिंग न्यू you gain better knowledge that you learn. So keep exploring too, and don't forget to like, share, comment on my videos, and also subscribe my channels and turn on notification bell to get my videos updates because it gives me motivation to make my videos more interesting. Thank you.